Hello guys, you're welcome to Embellas Hive. In this video, we'll take you on a walking tour of Australia's fourth busiest airport, which is the Perth Airport, giving you a sense of what it's like to be a passenger. Brief history. Perth Airport has a rich history dating back to the early 20th century. The airport was first established in 1924 when the Royal Australian Air Force began using the site as a training ground for pilots. In 1930s, commercial airlines began operating out of the airport, and it quickly became an important hub for air travel in Western Australia. Over the years, Perth Airport has undergone many changes and upgrades to keep pace with the growing demand for air travel. In the 1950s, the airport was expanded to accommodate larger planes, and in the 1980s, a new international terminal was built. Today, Perth Airport handles over 14 million passengers each year and is a vital link between Western Australia and the rest of the world. Now, let's talk about the outside beauty of Perth Airport at night. As you walk towards the airport entrance, you will notice the stunning architecture and design of the airport building. The airport is beautifully illuminated with various lights that accentuate the curves and lines of the building. The colors and shapes of the lighting create a mesmerizing visual experience that's sure to leave a lasting impression. As you approach the airport entrance, you will see that the exterior of the building is made of glass, giving you a glimpse of what's inside. The glass reflects the colorful lights, creating a stunning visual effect. It is truly beautiful sight that's worth seeing, especially at night. So let's go in and take a walk, and I'll see you at the end of the videos.
Unattended. Your safety and security is the highest priority at Perth Airport.
We now invite all remaining guests travelling to Melbourne on flight VA698. Passport boarding is in the red carpet at gate 44. Guests sitting in rows 1 to 14 are invited to board using the air bridge, and guests sitting in rows 15 to 30 to board via the rear stairs.
Well, that is it for our tour of Perth Airport. We hope you enjoyed learning a bit about the airport history. Kindly hit the subscribe button for more videos. See ya.